guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I am going to do an unboxing of Simply Earth. So they have 100% all natural essential oils, so that made me really want to try out this box and see what it is all about. It is a $150 value for only 40 bucks a month, or $39 a month, and each month you get all these ingredients so you can make 6 different recipes, which I thought was really cool. This month's box is making face masks, so I'm gonna try to make them and see what it's all about, and I'm really excited. So they send you the oils, so this is like the little box. So inside of this box you get 4 oils, and then there is a lavender hydrosol and a little compressed mask tablet. And the essential oils in here are rosemary, clove, frankincense, and clear skin. I actually use frankincense on a day-to-day basis. I really like that one. So I was really excited just to see this. And then when I popped this box out, there was this giant box full of everything that you possibly need to make these face masks and roller balls, and there's like little bottles, so if you mix your oils, there's a bunch of these, there's a few roller balls, and I was really excited about these because I've always kind of wanted to make essential oil like mixtures, and I just didn't really want to purchase these, so I thought this was so cool. You get these. You also get coconut oil in this, and then they also sent almond oil and coconut oil in these as well. They also sent over a bunch of recipes. So they sent over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is just like an ingredient to do like a diffuser, feel good morning diffuser. And I feel like that you could just use this feel good diffuser for any time of day. It doesn't have to be just the morning. So when you're in a cranky mood, sometimes I am, I'm just gonna try this out. There's a couple things that obviously it doesn't come with. You can do like certain face scrubs, but you need like oatmeal, brown sugar, honey, things like that. Normally I have a lot of these things in my house, but I don't at the moment. So I'm gonna make some of these recipes, but I'm only gonna make what is here and that I'm able to use and make something out of. So I'm really excited to try some of these. So I think I am just gonna do these 2. This one is just a morning diffuser, something that you just add to your diffuser, and then this one is a clear skin roll-on. So I'm gonna try both of these. So if you guys want to check out Simply Earth, I will leave the link in the description box below. I think this is such an amazing deal. I have used other pure all natural essential oils, and I already paid like $20 to $30 for each little tiny thing like this. So I even think for 40 bucks just for this is a steal. So you guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss out on any more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.